In today's video, I will show you how you can enable email forwarding on Spaceship domain. So firstly, you want to go to Launchpad and then your domain manager. And you want to select domain for which you want to enable it. And then over here, if you click on your domain, on the right side, you should see email forwarding. Now click on it and you have different options. You can add it to single address or to multiple addresses. So basically the single address works like whenever someone sends the email to your domain, it will be in your only in your one inbox, which you set over here. So if I set my email like this over here, it will be only at this email and not a different one. So you can set the rule. But I currently have Space Mail Special, so you can only use one email service. So either I can replace it, but I'm using this Space Mail. So if you are not using Space Mail, it will work for you and it's going to set the rule. And then you also have the other option where you can set multiple rules. So you can have multiple addresses. So if I click set rule, you can, for example, set for different categories, like let's say jobs, and then this is going to go in your HR inbox. Or if you're gonna type, let's say support, and whenever someone writes on support, it will be forwarded to your, let's say, some business email. So that's pretty much it. This is how it works. And you also can add some products from this menu. But this is different, so this is how you can enable or add email forwarding on Spaceship. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials.